Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Olivita Putri. I'm 12th grade of MA Persis 40 Sarongge. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make french fries. Keep on watching. The ingredients you must have are water, cooking oil, potatoes, cornstarch, mayonnaise, and salt. The tools you need are tray, rice paper, basin, frying pan, spatula, sieve, pan, knife, potato peeler, and cutting board. First, peel the potatoes. Then, cut the potatoes into several pieces. After that, wash it. Soak the potatoes with water and salt. Wait for 30 minutes or more. Drain it, boil over medium heat. Wait for about 5 minutes. Drain carefully so as not to be cut off. And let the steam evaporate first. Next, coat the potatoes with cornstarch. Try to arrange them parallel to avoid breaking the potatoes. When coated with cornstarch, fry over a high heat for about 3 minutes. Drain. Then sprinkle salt to taste. Now the dish is ready to be served with mayonnaise dip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.